Alright guys, today we're going to code some more short vowel words. And we're using short E, short U, and short O. And so if you remember, all short vowels are coded with a breve. And so we're going to go ahead and look at these words and sound them out and make sure that they all have a short sound. And then we will code them. So the first word is vet. V-et. Now that E is making the eh sound, which we've learned is the short E sound. And so we are going to code that with a breve. And then we have the word pen. P-e-n. So we have that eh sound again. Short E says eh. So we're going to code it with a breve. Now we have the short U. We have the word pup, p-a-p. And the U says which is the short U. So we're going to go ahead and put the breve over it. Now up, we don't have the consonant in front of it, but don't let that confuse you. The U still says the sound, and so we still code that short vowel sound with a breve. Now we have the word box. This is the short O sound, ah. So we have b-ox. The O says ah, which is the short O sound, and so we put the breve. And then we have the word dot, d-a-t. We hear that short O sound, so we're going to code with the breve over the short O sound. Alright, now it's your turn. You're going to choose 4 words and you're going to code them below. Alright, and here are the words that you can choose from. Go ahead and choose 4 short vowel sounds, and you are going to code them in your journal. Good luck!